Hi, it's Kerry. Today we've got more African animals to have a look at. Today I'm going to do the orange basket in the right hand corner here. This one here, there's lots of interesting animals in that one. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like wild animals. Can you tell me, is the river otter a carnivore, a meat eater, or a herbivore? I'm going to pick up a group of animals and then show them to you to save time. We've got a fun ending today as well. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. They're easily identified by their sleek body and unique black spots on gold or yellow coats. This is one of my jumbo size animals. It's really nice. The king cheetah is quite an unusual looking cheetah, also known as Cooper's cheetah. It is an African cheetah with a rare fur pattern mutation. A recessive gene must be inherited from both parents in order for this blotchy pattern to appear. I actually really like the look of this animal. The cheetah's spotted fur helps camouflage it in the grass so that it can ambush prey. Cheetahs are mostly found in open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa and in eastern and southern African parks. Some cheetahs can still be found in the northern Niger, Iran and southern Algeria. And here's the little cub, quite cute. Lions are found in the savannah, not the jungle. This male lion has a wonderful mane. It can grow to 23 centimeters or 9 inches long in various colors. The mane covers the heads, the necks, shoulders and chests of all male lions. The modern lions have evolved into two groups. Some live in eastern and southern Africa, and the other group lives in Central and West Africa and also in India. Most lions found in the wild live in the southern and eastern parts of Africa. And here's the little cub. At about 2 years of age, they're able to look after themselves. I'm just going to tidy up and choose some more animals to talk about. The hippopotamus, or I just like to call them hippos, one of my favourite animals. If hippos spend too much time out of the water, their skin gets burned and they become dehydrated. They love the water but really can't swim. They are much too heavy. A male hippo can weigh up to 3,600 kilograms, which is 8,000 pounds. What hippos like to do, they float around, kicking off from the bottom of the river to move themselves. When they're in the water, they can't feel the weight of their huge frame. Though they feed on land, hippos do many other activities in the water, including mating and birthing. Groups of 10 to 30 hippos live together with one dominant male. During the dry season, the dominant male chooses a partner and then the other males fight each other for the remaining females. The Pygmy hippopotamus is closely related to Africa's other hippopotamus you've just seen. It is much smaller in size, weighing around a fifth of its enormous cousin's weight. Although the two species may look very similar, there's actually a number of differences. The Pygmy hippopotamus has a narrower mouth and sleeker body that helps it when it's moving quickly through the dense vegetation in the jungle. I'll pop this back and get some more animals. Zebra. They are members of the horse family. They make a loud barking or braying sound. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, which help with camouflage. When a group of zebras are grouped together, their stripes make it hard for a lion or leopard to pick out one particular zebra to chase. And here's the foal. An adult zebra's tail is around half a metre or 18 inches long. The African elephant is the world's largest land animal. The biggest ones can be up to 7.5 metres long, 3.3 metres high at the shoulder, and 6 tons in weight. That is huge. The trunk is an extension of the upper lip and nose and is used for communication and handling objects, including food, and for carrying things as well. The giraffe. They get most of their water from their leafy meals and only need to drink once every few days, which is probably a good thing because they are most vulnerable when they are bent over drinking from the water. The river otter is a carnivorous mammal from the weasel family. It lives in a burrow near the edge of the water. Otters are very active hunters, searching and chasing prey through the water or scouring the rivers and the seabed for many hours each day. They eat fish and turtles, crayfish and amphibians. They like to play and splash around in the water with each other. The wildebeest is sometimes called a gnu, that is spelled G-N-U. It has a large head, a shaggy mane, pointed beard, and sharp curved horns. Typical predators would be lions, cheetahs, wild dogs, and hyenas. They live in the grassy plains and open woodlands, particularly the Serengeti in Tanzania and Kenya. Another wildebeest. They travel in large herds and are constantly grazing. In around May or June, there is a spectacular northward migration in search of greener pastures. This, of course, is dictated by the weather patterns. The wildebeest calf. They are born a light brown colour with either black or a white beard. Calves learn to walk within minutes of birth, and within days they are able to keep up with the herd for safety reasons. The pink flamingo. They are social birds and they live in colonies of sometimes thousands. This helps in avoiding predators, maximising food intake, and is better for nesting. Another pink flamingo. They spend a lot of time cleaning their feathers. They spread oil produced in a special gland over their feathers with their beak. I'll just pop these back and then I'll do my last group. I'm really looking forward to talking about the quagga and the crocodiles. The black mamba is one of the world's deadliest snakes. It is the fastest and second longest land snake in the world. I can always tell them by the black inside their mouth. The quagga is also called the Cape quagga. It is a recently extinct zebra. It was one of the 6 subspecies of plain zebra. It was a yellowish brown zebra with stripes only on its head, neck and forebody. It looks similar to an okapi. The quagga was native to dry grassy plains in the south of the African continent. The Marabou stork is a large African stork with a massive bill and large neck pouch, which feeds mainly by scavenging. And here we have a white crocodile, not much more than a hatchling. Baby crocodiles hatch from eggs. Nests are built on the water's edge from sand, mud and weeds and are really just shallow holes. Crocodiles are reptiles that have very sharp teeth and powerful jaws. They are carnivores and hunt fish, birds, frogs and crustaceans. They live in tropical areas because they are cold-blooded. The largest saltwater crocodile found was over 20 feet or 6 meters long. Here's trouble. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.